Hi, folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another product review. This is from MaxCases at MaxCases.com. This is a really cool product. We reviewed a number of them on the Chris Voss Show. You can search out. This is the Max Explorer Bag 3.0 11-inch. This is pretty interesting. This is in what they call an AlwaysOn case, where basically the case allows you to work directly from it, and you don't have to take and remove the laptop from the case. Now, we didn't have an 11-inch laptop, so we used one of our bigger ones to demo this. You kind of get an idea how it works. That's mainly what we want to take and do. You can keep your laptop secure with its non-scratch tech grip hooks and stay put elastic straps. It's got adjustable tuck-away side straps to secure your screen in any desired upright position. It's got durable 1,680D ballistic nylon material and YKK zippers. It's got rigid molded EVA shock tech padding and soft touch lining to surround your laptop to provide the best protection against drops, scratches, and dirt. It's got a debossed design inside the case that elevates your your laptop from the case, providing max airflow to keep your laptop cool when in use. It's got added levelers inside the case to lift your laptop slightly to not only provide you with an ergonomic typing angle, but to allow for easy access to ports when the laptop is inside the case. It's got non-slip feet on the bottom in the case to make sure your laptop doesn't slide or shift while you work, and it fits most 11-inch laptops. It's got a hidden ID holder, so you can put your business card in there or something of that nature. It has an optional removable accessory zipper pouch sold separately you can take and get. I was super impressed with it, and I've been super impressed with the build and their products. They're definitely well built and very nicely done and well thought out. Be sure to go to MaxCases.com and tell Chris Voss sent you. Check out the Max Explorer Bag 3.0 11-inch.